kids mixing up their teams. Every team starts with the letter, either 11 and 12. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Imagine kids that start with a 1. Come on, everybody, let's get this done. Imagine kids that start with a 1 and 11. Then 1 and 1, 12. Then 1 and 2, 13. Then 1 and 3, 14. Then 1 and 4, 15. Then 1 and 5, 16. Then 1 and 6, 17. Then 1 and 7, 18. Then 1 and 8, 19. Then 1 and 9, come on everybody, let's get this done. Then let's start with a 1. Come on everybody, let's get this done. Remember the kids that start with a 1. Then 1 and 1, 12. Then 1 and 2, 13.
You guys ready for math?
Yeah.
Everybody has their hand up already, so you already know what we're learning? What is it, everybody?
Team numbers.
Awesome. I can see it at the top on the board where it says team numbers. Good job. We're going to do something different today that we haven't been doing a lot with our team numbers. And the question at the top says, how can I break them apart? We're going to break apart our team numbers. Kind of like subtraction, but we're going to break them apart into 2 pieces. Into 10s and 1s. You got it. And you guys know we practice this every day on our calendar time, on our math boards up front, practicing, breaking up into 10s and 1s. So today, you're going to know you're successful if you can take a team number like 14, and I can think how many 10s and how many 1s, and you can show me on your paper or your math journal today. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I'm really excited. All right, we're going to get warmed up, and we're going to review our team numbers. So let me get my team number cards. And we have a bunch of exciting things to do, especially our math journals. I love those. All right, what's this team number?
17.
17. How do you make 17? Raise your hand. Junior. 1 and a 7 is how you write it. You're correct. But how would I make it? Like, how would I put it together with 10s and 1s? We need help. That's cool. Okay. Ethan Schultz. And this is what we're going to practice today, so it's okay if you don't know. Do you need help? How do you make it? How would I make 17? 10 and 7 1s. Give them hooty hoo.
Hooty hoo.
Good job. All right, let's go through the rest of our numbers.
19.
19.
13.
All right, let's remember to focus, guys. Focus, focus.
Focus.
Can you show me your learning rules? Ears.
Eyes. Mouth.
Body. Stina, are you ready? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay. I need all the boys to get 1 board and 3 crayons. Yep. All right, my 2 sit here, and Brooke sit there. Okay, here we go. Let's remember what we're learning today. We're learning our
Team numbers.
team numbers. Thanks, Octavia. And what are we going to do with them?
Break apart.
You got it. Ding, 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 ding. We're going to break them apart. So we're going to start with our big number today and think, how can I break them into my 10s and 1s? So today we're going to start out with using our bears, and I'm going to call out a team number, and then you are going to see if you can break it up into our 10s and 1s. So we'll do some exploring first. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here comes your bears. Can you just go back just a little bit, Lily? Okay. Make sure your board is, there you go, on the blank side. Do you guys see a 10 frame in front of you?
No.
Do you see a 10 frame?
No.
So do you think it will be hard or easy to break apart the team numbers?
Easy.
You think it's going to be hard? Do you kind of have a picture of the 10 frame in your brain already?
Yes.
Because we've used it like a bajillion, million, trillion times this year, right?
Yes.
Yeah, we've used it a lot. Yes, we have. We've used it a lot, right? How many squares are on the 10 frame, everybody?
0.
How many squares? Raise your hand. How many squares are on the 10 frame? Lily.
20.
The double one has 20, you're right. The double 10 frame has 20. How many are just on one 10 frame? Christine? 10. Thank you for raising your hand. Octavia, how many squares are on one 10 frame? 10. And why is it called a 10 frame? Junior. It's easier to count it, and it has how many squares? That's why it's called a 10 frame. You got it. Okay, so we're not going to use a 10 frame today. So first we'll count out our teen number, and then I want to see if you can break it up into tens and ones. All right, let's start with the big number.
17.
What do you see? 17. Can I see your crisscross applesauce, please? 17. Let's see if you can put 17 bears on your board. And here's your number. Can you go back and check when you're done? All right, 17 is your number, buddy. Don't forget. Well, I think those 10 frames are burned into your brains, you guys. Just from looking. Good job, Lily. You got it. You got it. Taking a nap? Good job, Nyla. I saw how you were checking. You were looking with your eyes and pointing with your finger. But I'm looking for friends with their bags by their side, like Ethan Schultz, and their crayons are also away from them because we're not using our crayons yet. What do you notice? Look around at your friends. What do you notice about how they set up their bears? Raise your hand if you notice something. I see that a lot of you did something really interesting and cool. Christina, put the crayons to the side. What do you notice about what some of the kids did? Amir? Okay, that's true. That's true. Junior, how did some kids set up the bears? Really? How can you tell that? How can you tell just by looking? Yes. Okay. Excellent. So you can kind of see that they had 10 at the top, like a 10 frame, and then 7 more at the bottom. I could call the beer. Got it. It's called the ones. Go ahead, Sonny. Say ones. How many ones are there?
7.
There's 7 ones. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 ones. And what number does it make?
17.
17. All right, let's do a couple more to practice. Clear. Go ahead and clear your bears. What's your number? One more, actually. Let's start with the 10. Ready? 10 and 3 and 13. Got it. All right. Please put your bears in your bag. Then you can put your bag to the side. What's up? Yes, ma'am. Then you can turn to the next fresh page in your math journal. You're right. That's what we're learning. Lily, you're awesome. Hold your pit up. We're breaking apart our team numbers. So let's say what we're learning. Maybe you don't have one in here. You were right. Who else needs one? You got math journal? Yep, name at the top. All right, and then turn to the next fresh page. Right away, please. Ethan Schultz is ready for the next fresh page. Octavia and Sunny.
And I take we get people 4.
Ready? All right, in your journal, I want you to show me how you would make and break apart the number 14. And then we'll share. However your brain wants to show it in your journal, your choice. Whatever you want to do in your journal for 14.
Oh, eyes on me first. Eyes on me first. I'm not sure.
I will use it.
Ready? All right.
You're so smart. You're so ready for first grade.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Spin around 5 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And have a seat. Yes, Junior. Just put it in your bag. Excellent. Who would like to share their math journal? Wait, the lots of hands go up. Everybody wants to share. I love it. I love it. All right, Octavia, tell us about your math journal. Ooh, can you show us? Excellent. I like how you use my resources on the board. Can you hold it up again? To use in your math journal. What's the word on the first side? What did you write? The T word.
And also come up.
And what's the other word? And what does the stick stand for on the side of your
And come
journal?
up with the reverse subtraction.
And stick. And then on the other side, what did the dot stand for?
Why make you step?
Ones. How many ones do you have? And how many tens? One group of 10. All right, give Octavia a big hooty hoo. Show it, show it. Excellent.
What number did we start with?
You guys are working so hard today. Definitely earning a raffle ticket. All right, go ahead, close up your journals. You guys set those to the side or underneath. We're moving on to our last activity today. We need our bears again, and we're going to be using a special new 10 frame map so we can use our T numbers, and then my brain can see 10 and the ones, and I'm going to write my equation a different way today. One. You guys are getting it. How many groups of 10 do you have?
1.
Only one of the 10 frames is full. How many ones do you have?
2.
There's 2. All right, so Christina picked my number, and the number is 12. So a 12 goes in the first box today. Go ahead, write a 12. Whatever all you're trying to do. 12 goes first. Oh, look at Lily. Already knows what to write. Lily, what do we write next? It says 12 equals plus, or could I write 12 equals 10 plus 2? Excellent. With your pen up, what else did we learn in math today? What did we do with the T numbers, my two? We practiced the number 19. What did we do with the number 19, the T numbers? What were we looking at? What were we seeing with the numbers? Just look for the T number.
Yes, he's quick to get to it. Don't worry about it.
Right here. And good job, my two. Move your pen up. We look for the 10s and the 1s. How many groups? Nice job today.